In the 20th century, William Shatner took us off on a voyage into the universe to experience what life is like on other planets. But now, here in the 21st century, he has come back to explore what life is like right here on our own planet. Now, this is all part of a new series that we call Keeping America Strong. As you know, part of Keeping America Strong lies in providing a very important industry with the latest technologies. Technologies that make it possible to operate at the highest efficiency and the lowest cost. Without this industry, there would be no flexible food and medical packaging, no package sheeting, agricultural film, can liners, no trash bags, no department store shopping bags. My goodness, it's a very important industry, obviously, that impacts everyday life. So how can we help to move it forward? Well, one of the answers lies with our guest today, who has developed a multi-process device that technically is helping to revolutionize the manufacturing process. And we're about to find out just what it all is. He happens to be the president of a very interesting company that is headquartered in Grand Prairie, Texas. That's near Dallas, right outside of Dallas. His name is D.R. Joseph, and his company is D.R. Joseph, Inc. Mr. Joseph, welcome. Nice to have you here.
Thank you
Daniel
very much.
Joseph. Dan, welcome.
Thank you, Doug.
Tell me a little bit, I mean, this is a very interesting introduction to you, and I have no more idea of what you do than flying to the moon. So tell me a little bit about what this is. What industry are we talking about?
Well, we're talking about the blown film extrusion industry, and like you said in the intro, is that there's a large variety of film products that are made throughout the world for different applications. The more critical ones being in the medical and the food industry, in particular food preservation, also some mundane areas like trash bags, merchandise bags, things like that.
Look, we've got this right here. This is the kind of thing we're talking about, right?
Yes,
I think everybody who goes shopping, and we're not advertising this brand, but the packaging. This is lettuce that is pre-washed. You'll find this in your grocery market. You just take this home, open it up, and eat it. It keeps the lettuce inside fresh for a period of a couple of weeks.
Process. This one's not nearly as...
I mean, this one has an expiration date of at least 2 weeks from now, so that's a pretty good shelf life. But the packaging is interesting, and most people would have no idea. Tell me what's happening in this bag right now.
Well, this particular package right now is actually breathing oxygen away and allowing carbon dioxide in and keeping moisture in. All this to allow the product to stay fresh for a long period of time.
That's a fascinating thing. You would never know it by looking at the bag, but you know, gases are coming in and going out,
Yep.
And yet it keeps moisture inside.
Yes, yes, exactly.
So you are involved in the manufacturing process of film like this. Here we have something else. Everybody recognizes this. These are trash bag liners.
Yep.
Typical thing. Same kind of process.
Same process. This one's not nearly as sophisticated as the lettuce bag, but it's the same process, yes.
All right, so tell me what you do.
Well, our equipment in the blown film extrusion machinery is a very large machine, and our aspect of it is what we call the internal bubble cooling. And what that does is that provides the ability to size the product precisely, and also to give the customer significant improvements in production rate through added cooling.
Well,